TrueClot bleeding control training products provide unprecedented and low-cost realism for all levels of training, from civilian trauma training courses to first responders and combat medics. TrueClot are realistic, flexible simulators that give a realistic example of an injury. TrueClot Blood Simulant looks, feels and behaves like human blood and will realistically form blood clots when used with TrueClot simulated haemostatic dressings. Thanks to its one-of-a-kind technology, TrueClot task trainers will bleed until the user has properly packed the wound or correctly applied a tourniquet or a chest seal. The range includes many products to simulate realistic injuries, including large cuts, chest injuries and bullet wounds, and there's also products to practice effective tourniquet use and chest seals. TrueClot offer a range of products that realistically simulate injuries and train in its effective control methods. For more details about the TrueClot range, contact ProTrainings, the UK distributor.